Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the new Outlook is active and up to date. This avoids compatibility problems. Once done, open Outlook and go straight to the Mail settings, then Rules or Manage Rules. You need the exported rules file, RWZ or other supported format, saved locally or in OneDrive. This file contains the conditions and actions you're about to restore. By preparing the file and landing on the rules pane, you reduce interruptions and can begin import immediately, which speeds the process and prevents. You now import the file. Click Import or Restore inside the Rules editor so Outlook reads the rule definitions. When the file picker opens, browse to your RWZ or supported export, select it, and choose Open. Outlook will parse conditions, exceptions, and folder actions. Make sure to decide whether to overwrite existing rules or import as new. This choice prevents conflicts. Once imported, review the count and names in the rules list to ensure actions map to current folders and accounts. You finish by verifying the rules. Send a sample message that should trigger the imported rule and watch for the expected action, move, categorize, or forward. If something's off, edit the specific rule properties to correct folder paths or account mappings. Rules often fail when folders moved or account names differ. Finally, save and re-enable rules, then restart Outlook to lock settings. If import errors persist, make sure the file format is supported and that Outlook is updated. Those two fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.